This little appliance can make your room feel cooler fast without the high electricity bill of an air conditioner. It's a fan and humidifier combo. You get cool airflow plus a refreshing mist at the same time, making hot, dry rooms feel far more comfortable. Fill the tank with water. Turn it on and let the fan spread the mist around your space. It's portable, energy saving, and perfect for bedrooms, desks, small apartments, or nighttime use. This helps with stuffy noses, sinus congestion, dry cough, and irritated skin. Ensure you fill the tank with distilled or boiled cooled water to avoid infection. If you want a cheaper way to stay cool and comfortable at home, this is definitely worth trying. Follow for more smart home hacks, frugal living tips, and money-saving appliance ideas. Thank you. See you in the next video.